Hello and welcome back to my channel, Who the Studio. In today's digital age, social media is a crucial aspect of any business's marketing strategy. And what better way to stand out from the crowd than with eye-catching and on-brand graphics? In this video, I'll be sharing 5 tips to help you design effective and amazing social media graphics that will help you achieve your marketing goals in a much more efficient way. Number 1, know your brand. The first step is to know your brand. Before you start designing, it's important to understand your brand's identity, personality, and tone. What values does your brand embody? What message are you trying to convey through your graphics? This will help ensure that your graphics are consistent with your brand's image and message that you're trying to convey. Next, we need to keep it simple. Social media users have short attention spans and are often scrolling through their feeds very quickly. Your graphics should be eye-catching but not overwhelming. Stick with a simple color scheme and font style that aligns with your brand. The next one is using high-quality images. Low-quality images can make your graphics look unprofessional and can be a huge turn-off for potential customers. Invest in high-quality images or take your own photos to ensure that your graphics are visually appealing and engaging. This could also mean using websites like pexel.com that can help you get free images that are really high quality. Then we have number 4, being consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building a brand recognition. Using the same color scheme, font style, and tone across all of your social media graphics create a cohesive look and feel. Last but not least, we have experimenting with different formats. Don't be afraid to try new things and always try to think outside the box. Try creating GIFs, short videos, or even interactive graphics to engage your audience and make your brand stand out. Designing effective social media graphics requires a solid understanding of your brand first and foremost. Then we also need a simple yet engaging design, high quality images, consistency, and overall experimentation with different formats. By following these tips, you can create social media graphics that stand out and help you achieve your marketing goals in the best way. So go ahead and try these tips and create your own effective social media graphics. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you would like to see more of our content.